everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. Today I am going to show you a very interesting and helpful video. Before we start, if you are not subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe me now. So without wasting your time, let's jump to the video now. Today I will show you how to make a fried rice tiffin for all age group. For that, I have taken some rice, then some mushroom is here, then green bell pepper and yellow bell pepper and 2 spoons of cooking oil, then red bell pepper, then some garlic and onion and carrot, and after that I have taken 3 brown eggs. So we have to crack the eggs. Let's crack the egg. Let's crack the egg. We have to separate the white egg and the egg yolk, and the egg yolk will go to the rice and we have to mix with rice. So we have to separate like this. Then let's mix it with rice here. Let's mix the egg yolk with rice. I have already mixed the rice with egg. Then let's crack the remaining eggs here. One more, and we have to mix the white and egg yolk together. Before that, let's heat the pan. Let's heat the pan. Let's mix the egg here like this. Let's put some salt, a pinch of salt, then mix it well. We have to fry the egg. Let's pour some oil, then spread it, and we have to fry it. We have to fry the egg. Let's pour some eggs into the pan like this, and we have to roll the egg. We have to roll the egg. Let's roll it slowly. We have to roll it, the egg, slowly like this. Then let's pour some egg. After this, let's pour some egg. Let's spread some oil. Then we have to put some egg. Then we have to roll it. We have to roll it. Now the egg is cooked, so let's put it on the plate. Then let's keep on the side. After that, let's pour some oil into the pan. Then spread it. Then let's fry the remaining eggs. Egg is cooked now. Let's put it on the plate and let's keep on the side. Now let's pour some oil into the pan. Then let's heat the oil. The oil is hot now. Let's put garlic and onion. Then mix it. And we have to put all the ingredients. Let's put the yellow bell pepper, then green bell pepper, red, then carrot, then let's put the mushroom, and we have to mix it well. All together we have to mix it like this. Let's put the rice into the pan, then mix it. Let's put some salt, let's spread it, then mix it. Then we have to put let's put some soya sauce, half spoon, not much, because dark soya sauce it will be very dark. So let's put half spoon of soya sauce. Then let's put some sesame oil. After this, let's put some sesame oil, half spoon of sesame oil. And after that, fish sauce, 1 spoon. If you don't have these ingredients, you can skip. So let's mix it like this. Now let's cut the egg, this one, not the roll one, into small pieces like this, and we have to put it into the rice. Now sprinkle the eggs like this, then stir it. We have to mix together, then turn off the heat. Now let's cut the roll egg like this, not so small, into pieces. You can see the roll egg. It's look very tempting. I'm sure the children will love it. So let's put it into the tiffin, into the lunch box. It's look very tempting and look delicious. I have already cut the fruits. Let's put the fruits into the lunch box, to the tiffin, some apples and some pomegranate. Then let's put the rice. Here is a rice. So let's put the rice into the tiffin. Now your tiffin is ready. It's look very tempting. You can see this, and I'm sure children will love it. And you can make it at home. It's very easy, not much difficult, and the ingredient also very simple. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.